How you can save tons of storage in your iPhone. So let's do it. So before starting, my iPhone have 4 GB system data. So first thing first, clearing history and website data of your Safari app. So open settings, move down and click on Safari app. And scroll down and click on clear history and website data, and click on clear history and data and click on close all tab. That will help you to free up space in your iPhone. Just moving to the next step, go to setting, click on privacy, then click on location services, then scroll down and click on system services, then again scroll down and click on significant location, and here you will see your downloaded location history. If you don't need that, then simply clear the history and it will save your space. Moving to the next step, clear App Store data. Open App Store and press 10 times on App Store. That will help you to clear App Store data. So moving to the next, update your iPhone to the latest version. So go to setting, click on general and click on software update and update it to the latest version. That will help you to reduce your memory. So in my case, I have to update my iPhone, and after finishing up update, it will give a free space in my iPhone. Make sure to update to the latest version. That will help you to free up your iPhone storage. So moving to the next, we have to clear message data. So open up your settings app, then scroll down and click on messages, and then scroll down, and here you will see message history and it is set as forever. Then click on it and set as 30 days and click on delete older 30 days messages, and it will delete your previous messages. If messages are important for you, then don't try this tip. Let's moving to the next one. When deleting non-usable dictionary language that already downloaded in my iPhone. So go to settings, click on general, then click on dictionary, and here you will see the downloaded languages that your iPhone have. And here you will set your preferred language and delete the other language that you don't use in your iPhone. That will save your storage. So moving to the next, deleting the other language that you don't use in your iPhone. So we have to go to settings, then click on general, then click on language and region, and here you will see the downloaded language in your iPhone. So only select the preferred language that you use in your iPhone and delete the other ones. That will help you to save some storage in your iPhone. So before starting, my iPhone have 4 GB system data, and after doing all this trick, my iPhone have 3.92 GB data. So that will definitely help you to reduce some data in your iPhone. So make sure to use this trick and save some data in your iPhone. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.